You're exfoliating, but it might be too late. The real problem isn't your razor. It's timing. Most people trap hairs without realizing. Your skin barrier may be silently damaged. Waxing alone doesn't prevent ingrowns. Dead skin buildup is the hidden culprit. Tight clothing could be making it worse. Over-exfoliating can actually cause more ingrowns. Your hair growth direction matters more than you think. Dry skin makes hairs curl back inward. Skipping aftercare is the #1 mistake. Your products might be clogging pores. Ingrowns often start days before you notice. Picking bumps makes the cycle repeat. Hair texture changes with age. Hormones can make regrowth thicker. Using dull blades increases irritation. Not moisturizing enough keeps skin tight. Friction from workouts can trigger bumps. Your routine might be missing one key step. Gentle chemical exfoliation beats harsh scrubs. Calming the skin reduces trapped hairs. Consistency matters more than intensity. Prevention starts immediately after hair removal. The fix is simpler than most routines. Healthy skin isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. Follow for smarter waxing and skincare tips.